Let me show you how to dial in your coffee without a scale using KitchenAid's new semi-automatic home espresso machine.
Start with either a single or a double shot basket, and we're going to go with a double shot. The basket even has this guide on the side, and this is the recommended dose for where your coffee should fill up to. First thing, let's start with grind size. We're using our golden brown signature blend, which is a medium to dark roast. It's easier to grind, so we're going to grind a little coarser, but with a lighter roast coffee, you may need to grind finer. Then on the front of the machine, you can easily select your dose amount. The left side is for single shot, and the right side is for double. The large dot on each side of the dial is a good starting spot. Then you can adjust for more or less depending on how full your basket is. As you grind, you'll see the machine lights up to show you your grounds, and it even has anti-static built in for less mess. Collapse your grounds and then tamp to ensure that your coffee matches the line in the basket. Once you have the dose amount right, the only variable you'll need to adjust is the grind. Now let's pull our first shot. If it's running too fast like this and the pressure is low, your coffee will taste watery and sour. You'll need to grind finer to slow down the flow of water. If it's too slow and dripping, there's too much pressure and it will taste bitter and dry. For this, you'll need to grind coarser. Once you've hit the sweet spot on the gauge, you should get a beautiful thin stream like this, and you'll have a rich, syrupy espresso.
But remember, it's not an absolute science. You can adjust to your taste preferences. So if you want a bit more sweetness, try grinding coarser. If you want a bit more body, try grinding finer.
Follow KitchenAid to learn about their new range of espresso machines.